Hey folks, Gary here, doing a daily Bible reading for Wednesday. And hey, we're looking at Isaiah 54. Now, we're looking at verses 2 and 3 today. Yesterday we looked at verse 1, and the same thing applies. Isaiah is speaking to the Israelites who are in captivity in Babylon. So things look bad. But Isaiah is speaking on behalf of God. He's giving prophecy saying, it's not what you think it is. Things are not the way they appear. I'm still on the throne, and it's still going to be awesome. So keep that in mind. So we're going to look at verses 2 and 3, and here's what it says. It says, make your tents larger. Spread out the tent pegs. Fasten them firmly. In other words, get ready. Something really cool is going to happen. You're going to have a lot of descendants. You and your descendants will take over the land of other nations. You will settle in towns that are now in ruins. So we can read that and think, woohoo, look at us. We're going to be the rulers. We're going to decide what's going to happen. We're going to make laws. We're going to do all these things. People are going to have to listen to us. Well, hold on a second. Don't get this twisted. That's not what he's saying, okay? What he's saying is that he will rule. God will rule. And how does God do that? Well, he does that by using you and using myself to bless the nations. So the nations say, this is a God worth following. It's about us blessing the nations. Remember, verse 1 alludes to Sarah and Hagar. And so what was the promise that was made to Abraham? The promise made to Abraham was that he would have many descendants. So we get that with the tent being bigger and all that kind of stuff. But the promise was also, I will bless the world through you. God still wants to bless the world through you and through me. And what's the purpose of that? So they would know his love and know who he is. And once they know who he is, obviously they're going to give their life to him. Obviously they're going to say, your will, not mine. And when they do that, that's how the world is won. It's won through love. It's won through blessing one another. It's won through Jesus. And so, so let's be active in doing that and blessing those around us. And it's going to be an awesome day.